Okay, here is a many work here. You need to just work this micro job and you can claim here, transfer, swipe, you can make like this. Okay, hi, how are you today? I think you are all good. This is a brand new video from Learn Today. Learn Today will help you to make money online. Also, I will review some websites, some software and some others. Also, I will guide you that how you can build your online business. So if you watching this video, please subscribe, and if you watching this video from Facebook, please follow. So this is a totally brand new video, and I know that you all of guys know about this website. If you don't know, I will show you that step by step that how you can get much more money from this. Okay, this website is CoinPayu. Do not skip this video because I will show you step by step that how you can make $5 to $10 per day or per hour. If you work hard, you can make much more money from this website. This is a crazy way to make money online. I will show you how you can make Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, also some other coin you are watching this. Okay, you can make many dollar from here. Okay, so for start, you need to just click my video description link and you directly came here. Okay, so go to my video description and click the link. After, you need to go right side top corner and you need to just tap on register button and you need to just register your account. Okay, tap on username. I'm just doing okay, and just tap on email button and just you need to password and retype password. Okay, I'm doing this. After putting the password, you need to just tap on I agree and you need to tap on I'm not robot and just fill it and tap on register button. It will okay, they said that the username is already taken, so just I'm doing this one and again I'm not a robot and the motorcycle. Okay, and tap on register. Okay, after doing this, you will get a verification mail in your Gmail account. Go and verify your account. They just sent you a verification code just like this. Okay, you need to just copy it and paste here. Okay, now you need to confirm and you need to type your email and password again. After, you will see your dashboard here. This is your main balance. I have 0 Satoshi, purchase balance if I purchase any Satoshi, and some others. Okay, you can also buy Satoshi and you can advertise your website or anything if you want. Okay, for make money, earn Satoshis, you need to just tap on left on 3 dot corner and you can view ads. Here is a surf ad, window ad, article ads. Okay, first you need to tap surf ad. Okay, here is a many work here. You need to just work this micro job and just see this 1 2 3. If I go number 2 phase, you will get many work here. You need to just work hard, and if you work like 2 or 3 hours a day, you can easily make $5 to $10. Okay, so how you will do this? Just tap on the work and they will ask you that 20 seconds you need to just wait. 2 million work done. Okay, you just go to the link and wait for 20 seconds. Okay, I'm not doing this right now. Okay, just see. And another main thing is that if you tap here and back to your main dashboard and the counting is going. Okay, just see that you have earned 3.2 Satoshi. It's great. Okay, you can make money like this. This is a totally great ways to make money online. Okay, and number 2 is window ads. Okay, this is you need to wait 45 seconds for 4.6 Satoshis. Okay, I'm just doing this for your proof. I'm just tapping this. Okay, many work in here. You can basically get many job from Surfet. Okay, the third number is article. Okay, just see this, how many work is here. Okay, just do and work hard. Okay, and number here is offer. Okay, just see, there is some way you can make much more money from here. Okay, and after, here is a faucet. You can claim here, transfer, swipe, you can make like this. Okay, you need to just tap on claim. I'm doing in Litecoin, and you can claim every 60 seconds. I will recommend you that just claim only 4 coin side. Okay, okay, now tap on claim now. After 60 minutes you can claim again here. Okay, okay, go back. Okay, go back. Okay, you can also claim Dogecoin, Litecoin. Okay, just 4 I will recommend, just 4. Okay, now how you will advertise here, just tap on advertise. You can create new ads. You need to deposit. Okay, just you need to tap on create ads, and you can advertise your software, window ads, article ads, video ad also. If you are YouTuber, you can do this. Okay, okay, I already tell you that how you can make just crypto coin from this website. Okay, now I will tell you that how you can add fund. Go to advertise and create new ad for ad, and if you want to deposit here for your ad, you just need to go dashboard and just tap on deposit, and you can deposit from these types of. Okay, just see, and you can deposit from this coin. And for the withdraw, you need to go your profile section and tap on wallet, and just address you need to put here. Okay, and you can put here prayer address, BTC, Dogecoin, many types of here. Okay, after put your wallet address, you need to come dashboard and just tap on withdraw button, and you can easily withdraw your funds. Okay, so this is how you can make much more money from CoinPayu. It is totally easiest way, and this is a trusted website. You need to work hard. You need to work 5 to 10 hours for $50 to $100. Okay, every day you need to work just 1 to 2 hours, and you can make easily $5 to $10. Okay, so avoid my background noise and just stay consistently and work hard. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.